Hi friends, welcome to another edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Kevin. Today we're going to be making a cauliflower crust, cauliflower wrap, cauliflower flatbread, whatever you want to call it, but I call it delicious. And it's such a great healthy alternative to the typical just kind of like dough pizza bread or maybe just kind of like a tortilla wrap. So very simple recipe and so many different ways you can use this. So I'm actually going to be making two at a time, but you can do this one at a time if you'd like. Alright guys, so I got these pulled out of the oven. They're ready to go. So here's our kind of like our flatbread one, or maybe use it for a wrap. Here's our little pizza one. I'm going to make one just to kind of show you how easy this is at home. So we're going to use Rayo's homemade sauce. This is our favorite brand of sauce. We love it. I'm going to take some sauce here. Put it in this. And another thing that we like to do too is set our oven to broil on high and just kind of like toast and melt that cheese. Give it that nice, beautiful golden cheese look. So we got some mozzarella cheese. Thanks friends for joining me today. Another edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Kevin, cauliflower crust. I hope you try it at home and I hope you have a wonderful and healthy day.